Nakai-san, whose real name is Akira Nakai, is a renowned automotive artist and the founder of RWB, or RWB, a world-famous custom car tuning company. Born on February 12, 1970 in Chiba Prefecture, Japan, Nakai-san developed a deep passion for cars from a young age. In the early 1990s, Nakai-san began working in a body shop where he honed his skills in automotive repair and customization. During this time, he also started experimenting with modifying cars, combining his love for art and cars to create unique and eye-catching designs. The turning point in Nakai-san's career came in the mid-1990s when he encountered a Porsche 930 Turbo. Struck by the car's aesthetics and performance, he felt a strong connection to the Porsche brand. Inspired, Nakai-san decided to embark on a personal project to modify and personalize his own Porsche 911. Using his artistic vision and skills, Nakai-san modified his Porsche 911 with wide-body fenders, aggressive spoilers, and distinct styling cues. The result was a striking and artistic masterpiece that caught the attention of the automotive community. Word spread quickly about Nakai-san's custom Porsche, and car enthusiasts from around the world expressed interest in having their vehicles modified by him. This overwhelming demand led to the founding of RWB in 1997. RWB became known for its unique approach to car customization, blending Japanese tuning aesthetics with the classic and iconic Porsche models. Nakai-san's handcrafted and artful designs attracted a loyal following, and the popularity of RWB grew exponentially. Over the years, Nakai-san traveled extensively to work on various RWB projects, collaborating with car owners and enthusiasts globally. Each RWB Porsche was tailored to reflect the owner's personality, making each creation truly one of a kind. Nakai-san's influence on the automotive world extended beyond RWB. He became a symbol of passion and creativity in the car community, inspiring countless enthusiasts and artists worldwide. His dedication to artistry, combined with his love for cars, elevated car customization to a form of expression and individuality. As a result of his exceptional craftsmanship and contributions to the automotive industry, Nakai-san's legacy remains firmly established in the hearts of car enthusiasts and art lovers alike. His pursuit of speed, art, and the unyielding passion for his craft has left an indelible mark on the world of car tuning and customization.